Hello and welcome to LearnAakash. Now it's time to learn about break and continue statement. So how does break and continue statement affects in loop? So let's see by opening idle. Let's open a new file. Now let's create the infinite loop and save it. Let's set it I equals to 0 and let's write that while 1. It means that while true. Now it is going to be infinite. Okay, now let's write first I equals to I plus 1. Now let's print the I. Now let's write the input function. No use of this since this is going to be infinite. We can't see this input function running. Please press key to exit. Now let's save this one and let's see the infinite loop. Okay, let's save as break and continue .py. Now let's run it from over here so that it will be easy. Yeah, now it's printing the number from 1 to it's continue. It's an infinite. Let's close it. Now let's see how break and continue is going to affect this loop. Okay, now let's write here if I equals to 5. Let's write continue and let's write this one as well and we'll see how it is going to work. If I equals to 10, let's put colon first and write break. Yep. Now let's see how it is going to work. Now the value of I will be 1 and it prints the value of I over here. Since this condition is false, this code will not execute and this code will also not execute. Since the condition is false, it will print 1. After that, when I equals to 2, it prints 2, so that when I becomes 5, it means continue. Continue means leave it everything and start the loop again, so that the loop will start it again. The remaining code will not run, the loop will start again, so the 5 will be skipped. And similarly, when it becomes 6, it prints the value of 6. Similarly, when the value is 10, your break statement works. Break statement means leave it everything, just close the loop, so that it will close the loop. That means this print function will also not run. Directly we will get out of the loop and we will see this code. Now let's run this code and let's see what it is going to come. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9. Since the value of 5 it just continue, it starts the loop, so that it didn't print anything. And when the value of I is 10, it's just close the loop. Or you can even write it here as elif, and you can write here else. It's the same thing. Let's save it and run from here. Yeah, it's the same thing. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.